Hey everybody and welcome back to the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at how you can add cheap multicolor LEDs to your FPV drone. The LEDs in question here are made by Diatone and are very affordable at less than $2 each, currently priced at $1.89. These LEDs run off of 16 volts, so all you need to do is connect them directly to a battery source. In my case, I was able to connect them directly to the power pads of the ESCs, making for a very simple and clean install. So let's go through the installing phase. You're gonna want to start off by taking off all the propellers. So let's take a look at the LEDs themselves. Here they are, and if we take a look at a single one, you can see on the left you have 4 LED pads, in the middle you have the dip switches which control the color, and then on the right side you can see the pads, the plus and minus pads you will use to connect it to power. This is rated for 16 volts, so it goes perfectly with a 4S setup. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna start to remove the original protection from the ESCs as well as my landing pads, because that's where I'm going to be installing them. After that we can go ahead and solder the wires to the LEDs. These are the wires that came with the LEDs, and it's okay that they're a little bit narrow because the wires are actually going to be really short. After that I put a piece of VHB tape on the back to make sure that it's gonna stick on. And then don't forget to put a little bit of electrical tape under the connector itself, just to make sure you don't short anything out, because if the connector is touching carbon it could actually short out. I actually ran out of black electrical tape, which is why I used that white one, but normally of course the black one looks better. There I am, just reattaching the original landing pad. After you have the LED stuck onto the bottom, you can go ahead and pre-tin the other side of the wires and then just connect them directly to your single ESCs, putting the negative on the negative battery pad and the positive on the positive battery pad. If you have 4-in-1 ESCs, you're going to have to connect this either directly to the XT60 connector or to a power out, or to a VBAT power out somewhere else on the frame. After that I'm just reattaching the original prop guards to the ESCs. I'm actually just using pieces of cut off propeller for this, which has worked okay for me in the past. And then just to make sure I zip tie it all down. And there we go, it's lighting up beautifully. And if you just adjust the dip switches, you can get any color you want. After that we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue to solder up the rest of the LEDs, doing the final touches there. And there we have it. There is our finished build. It looks pretty good. I was able to keep the landing pads in there, so the LED itself is not touching the ground when I land. Now we can go ahead and plug it in and just see how these LEDs look. If we just turn on each one individually, there you can see we're turning on the blue channel. And there we go. Now the beautiful thing about this sort of LED is it's actually very easy to change your colors in the field. Well, Betaflight does have an LED feature. If you prefer not to get into all that, this is a pretty simple mechanical alternative. And there you go, just switching it to green is very quick and very easy. Now by mixing the 3 switches you can get a lot of different colors. You can get all sorts of purples, blues, whites, greens, reds, and basically any color you can make by combining those 3, red, green and blue. But that's gonna be it for this time, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the LEDs, you can go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. I try to read and answer everything. And as always, you'll find links to the products in the description. Other than that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.